No, hands up.
Baby, Kyle, give me that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see from the title, you guys have only gone and done it. I said 50 likes and I will do the video again, but currently standing, it hasn't even been 24 hours and the video is on 166 likes. So you guys have only gone and done it. More than double, more than what I asked. So I didn't even think I was gonna get 50 likes, and I got like 50 likes in like 2 hours. But
and you guys want her to juggle.
We are here to see some juggling. I'm guessing that's why you guys all like the video. You guys want to see some juggling, so we're gonna be juggling. I don't know how this
What is juggling in your terms? Yeah,
juggling. Juggling is mixing loads of things at the same time, and it just sounds, but that's what we're gonna be doing today. I honestly don't know how this video is gonna go. I don't know how it's gonna go. I don't know how it's gonna end, but because you guys got 50 likes on this video, I'm gonna ask for,
you want more? Yeah. This
chill down, okay?
I don't know if there's gonna be a part 3 of this video, but let's get this video 150. Let's get this video to 150 likes, and possibly I'll do a part 3. If you guys really want it, you have to get it to 150 likes, and you also have to subscribe. So 150 likes and subscribe. I'm nearly at 600 subscribers. Hopefully by the time I post this video, I'm gonna be on 600 subscribers. But let's get me to 1,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna start making this into a segment. You understand what I'm saying? You get the gist. But 150 likes. Let's get me to 1,000 subscribers, please and thank you. Make sure you watch the video all the way to the end, and yeah, I'm entertaining you during this quarantine season. What do you mean? Okay, but let's get on with the video. All right, so we're back in the same position. So what boss has said,
to warm things up, I said she should try do what she did in the last video and basically mix Act Up and OT Bop again. See if she still remembers how she done it.
Basically what I'm going to be doing is doing the Act Up OT Bop again. This is just a warm-up preparation, you know? Understand? Calm.
Before we get into the
juggling.
Juggling.
So I'm going to be doing Act Up and OT Bop the mixer with no help. As you guys have seen, it's literally haven't done anything, so
I'm not gonna tell her nothing. She's just gonna go in.
If I get it wrong, you're gonna see. If I get it right, I want my 150 likes and my 1,000 subscribers. Okay, thank you.
We're not juggling yet.
I'm going to be doing some. This is how you juggle in Jamaica.
This is how you juggle in Jamaica.
For this one, I want you to use headphones. Yeah? So, what I want you to do is I kind of want you to transition, start with the crossfader here. So, I want you to start on one song. Because in the last video, you didn't use any headphones. And that was kind of my fault. You should have used headphones. But I kind of want you to transition when you can't hear it, when I'm DJing, other people can't hear it. So I want you to actually feel the whole DJ experience. So do maybe and Sensima. So I'm gonna show you what I would do, and then you're gonna just reciprocate that. You are a DJ. You're going to do it.
We start again. I don't know what the beat is.
Zombie nanga.
Hands out. No. Hands out. Clap. Hands out. Hands out. Out. Take a seat. Show them. Don't go get cocky with it. So you're gonna be here?
Yeah.
To do?
Nothing.
You didn't forget to press play?
I did.
Round 2. Lady, go!
Did you what?
Did I do it wrong?
Did you what?
Did I do it wrong?
Did you what?
Did I fuck? I'm asking you a question.
How are you asking?
Was it good?
Well, you thought I went back in like joy?
Oh, was it?
The way I want to.
out trying to show off.
Ooh.
So, because she couldn't do Queen Lady Gangsta and Underwater.
That was just like say yeah and thing. I'll show you guys. It was just like say yeah and juicy.
So Queen Lady Gangsta, you didn't know the beat.
There's just some songs in this world, and I know a couple of DJs go for it. It's fine. There's just some songs that you just can't mix. It's okay. You brush. What did Jesus say? You get up, you brush your feet, you move forward. Mixing. This is one of actually both of them are my favorite songs. Both of them are my absolute favorite songs. The first one is Aisha by Yalivis, and the second one is My Type by Popcorn. Those are my favorite. Period.
This is a mixer, so if you get it wrong, it's your
And
own.
if I get it right.
See how that helps more than you going, oh my god. So
We're basically moving into what you guys have been wanting to see. That's why you gave me the likes. You're gonna be seeing me juggling. If I don't juggle, like, this is how you juggle in Jamaica.
this is how you juggle in Jamaica, Africa edition.
This is for Uncle Kwamz. This is for Uncle Kwamz. This is for Uncle Kwamz, yeah? Thank you. Right, so we changed the position, so it might look a bit weird.
I'm gonna give you kind of like a prime example of me juggling. Ready?
Hey yo, Kwamz, knock him out one side.
Bro, all I saw was fingers just everywhere. If you guys want to see this makeup look here, I know we're meant to be doing juggling, but this is like a skin like makeup look, and I'm so happy with the way it turned out. I'm not wearing lashes as well, and I think I kind of like myself more.
So you have to touch me.
You know that you're my first love.
I think I like myself
And
more.
she's still touching me.
No. Baby, can't give me that. Do it myself now. But you need to, I don't know what you've been doing.
Yeah, I'll guide you. Cool.
Round.
Jadu.
Hang on, let me finish.
That's the best they'll get.
That's actually the best that is actually gonna get. So
Nah, you did well. You did well. I'll be real. You did well.
yeah. Guys, that's the end of the video. How do you think I did
Juggling, give it
for my first try?
6. Okay.
I'll give it a 7. But I don't. If you guys get me to 150 likes, if you guys really like this, get it to 150 likes, and then maybe I'll do a part 3 of scratching.
Also, comment down below what else you want her to like.
As you guys know, I said I'm going to do this as a segment. I'm doing this as a segment. I get taught how to, and then I just do different things in it. Because obviously we're in self-isolation. There's not much I can do. I can't go out. So I'm just going to have to utilize what I have. Yeah? And that means I'm going to have to be using. That means I have to use all his skills. And I've got to make it into some content. But if you guys like this video, as I said, get me to 150 likes.
Of many talents.
Yes, get me to 150 likes. Comment down below what you liked about this video, your favorite part of this video. Comment down below, and also any suggestions that you guys want me to do next. I will happily. Why are you on your phone? I will happily do. And get me to 1,000 subscribers, please. Hopefully by the end of by the time this video is released, I don't know when this video is going to be released, I will be on 600 subs. So get me to 1,000 subs before the end of this quarantine. But I think that's it.
Anyways, yeah, man.
Make sure you like, comment and subscribe.
Yeah, man.
And I will see you guys on the next one. Yeah, stay safe and hope you guys enjoyed the video.